In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail auto reply out of office email. This handy tool is perfect for letting people know when you're unavailable to respond to their messages. So, let's dive into how you can do this with ease, whether you're on vacation, out sick, or simply on a well-deserved break. First, of course, you'll need to open your Gmail app or navigate to the Gmail website through your preferred browser. Once you're in Gmail and signed into your account, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see an icon that resembles a gear. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that, and in the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you into the main settings dashboard where you'll find a variety of options to customize how your Gmail functions. Now, in this settings page, you're going to want to find the General tab. It's the first tab on this page, so you should see it right away. Scroll down until you spot the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is where the magic happens. Once you've found it, you'll notice a checkbox right at the top. This checkbox is to enable the Vacation Responder, which is just another term for out-of-office replies. Click the checkbox to activate it. You'll then need to input the first day that you'd like your automatic replies to start. This is easily done by selecting the date from the small calendar icon next to the First Day field. If you already know the last day you'll be unavailable, check the box that says Last Day and select the date from the following field. This step is optional, so don't worry if you're unsure when you'll be returning. You can always edit this later if needed. Now, let's move on to crafting your response. Make sure your auto-reply message is clear and concise. Under the Subject field, type in something straightforward like out of office or unavailable to respond. Then, in the message field below, you can type a brief note explaining your absence. Perhaps mention when you expect to be back and available to respond, and consider providing alternative contact details if necessary. It's also good to note that you have the option to send your out-of-office reply to only your contacts. If you'd like to enable this, just check the box that says, Only send a response to people in my contacts. This can be especially useful if you prefer not to send automated responses to spam or unexpected messages. Once you've filled everything to your satisfaction, just scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. Your auto-reply email is now set up and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Gmail auto-reply for those times when you're out of office. This will ease communication and let others know when to expect a response. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.